Hi, today we're going to be reviewing Scratch 3. I like Scratch 3.0 very much because we did the name tutorial. Because it's really fun, I like the name tutorial because you get to make your name do lots of different things. I think you should try it out. It's got other tutorials and it's got a lot of characters. Finley?
Me too. Scratch is a fun game that lets you release your imagination. As Daniel said, we did the name one and it was great. We made our name out of lots of different things. Finley out, bye.
Bye guys.
Right, so guys, I'm using a normal F, a milk that can do star jumps, an N, a dinosaur with his body cut off to make an N.
And I am using a normal D, what flashes gone and back again. And then I'm using a normal N, and I'm using an egg, which has a circle in the middle of it, and has half a circle at the bottom of it to make an A. And that'll be it from me and Finley. Bye guys.
Bye.